Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch Groove XXL wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now, the other reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history, delete all the settings, so you can go ahead and set this up basically like it's a brand new speaker. We can go ahead and do that really easily. We're going to first of all want to just make sure it's not connected to anything on Bluetooth, and we can go ahead and delete it off of all of our devices because we're going to set this up like new once we're done. And with the speaker turned on, we're just going to come in and find the volume down buttons and the volume up buttons, and we're just going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for about 5 to 8 seconds, basically until all the lights will flash on the speaker once it's reset, and that's indicating that the reset has been successful and is complete. And then you can go ahead and set this speaker up like a brand new speaker. And if you decide to get a new speaker, I'll put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price.